How to increase PHP's upload max file size value in Plesk. This tutorial assumes you have already logged in. In the Websites and Domains interface, click this left arrow icon. Select the PHP Selector option. Then click the Options menu. If the Options page shows an error related to the native PHP version, change it to a non-native version first. The current upload max file size is set to 2 megabytes. Let's change the size. Success! The PHP's upload max file size has been changed. Thank you for watching.